Hi, I'm Catherine O'Donnell, horticulturist and entrepreneur from Botanicus Interior Landscaping. Today we're going to talk about pruning Drasina marginata. Drasina marginata is a very popular houseplant and landscape plant in tropical areas. It is a liliaceous plant, so it grows with a single stem and foliage at the top. The beauty is that you can trim it anywhere. Any internode will sprout. This is a new way to grow them. It's a braided trunk, and they trim it at the top. Each one of the trimmings shows 3 or 4 new heads. So it grows like a tree shape with this funky trunk and a beautiful head of foliage. The usual way the marginatas grow is a straight trunk. This one is 5 plants per pot, all straight and grown up. So don't be afraid to trim your Drasina marginata anywhere on the stem. If you trim it in the early spring and summer, your sprouts will be more vigorous. And trim it away, it can grow many new heads and look more tropical and more exotic.